I'll give you a card.
Okay, what do you have here?
The activewear is the king and queen.
Okay.
And then my sister's sleeve up is the laptop. Yeah, we started like for CrossFit, like CrossFitters. Yeah.
I'll put this on my video blog.
Yeah, because I did CrossFit and then I started. I'm actually a designer talaga. I did Fashion Week before in
Cool. Oh,
and I
I've
went
been looking. Yeah, just go on though. That's later.
Yeah, and then I did 4 seasons of Philippine Fashion Week before I went to New York. Did jewelry and I came back and suddenly started CrossFit and now I'm doing activewear.
Very good. Well, what else can you show us here? This one, let's have this.
So this is my sister's. This is the sleeve up, the laptop sleeve. So usually it's like it's interchangeable.
Okay. That really excites me.
Yeah. So it can be plain if you're like, feeling muted. Yeah. So easily like that.
Okay.
And then here's like a...
Give us another one.
There's like a sample, like styled outfit of our activewear.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I can see. It's.
So.
Yeah.
I mean, it started out like. It started out because like I didn't find anything that I liked locally.
Okay. That's
like,
where it
like
usually
not
starts.
Streaming workout.
I get your feel, bro. I know your feel.
Yeah, so nice.
Okay.
Really.